Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis over on Shopify ticker shop. Now it is up about 6% today. That's what the main reason we're doing the analysis on it. We can see we're currently sitting around $47.50. So what are going to be those key support and resistances going further? So for this, again, this is going to be more of a technical analysis. For this, we do use the standard deviation channels on both a 6-month and a 1-year chart. So what are going to be those key levels from where we are currently now? So again, we did get a pullback intraday. That's because at $48 we hit into our first deviation in the 1-year chart. So again, hit this as market opens. Again, the overall S&P was strong. So again, it's kind of moving with the S&P. And then again, we're pulling back right under this level. Again, the main thing to be watching though is once we break, or if we can break $48 again, it's all about breaking it and coming to test it as a support. If it can hold, then we look to play trend to that next level, which in this case would be $52, which I just realized you can't see, but now you can. $52. If we break that, then looking at $55, then 58, and then final levels taking us all the way out to around $61 and $65. From a support side, we do have statistical mean at 41 to around $45. Again, this is considered fair value. So if I'm trading, I'm not really ever looking to open positions in this level. So again, that would be something I'll be avoiding. So right now it does seem to be either playing the pullbacks on the upper deviations or potentially looking to play the trend. If we can wait for a break above, come back to test it as a support and then look to play trend. So that's what I'd be looking at more on Shopify. If we did pull back, we do have deviation levels at $39 and $35. But again, 39 I'd kind of ignore because you're not going to get a great risk to reward considering there's only about $2 of upside. So again, probably I'd avoid that level, but 34 and below, if we do come that low, again, there's definitely some good risk to reward on trade opportunities there. So that's going to be 34.25 going down to 32.50, and final levels taking us down all the way to basically 26 and 27.50. So that is the main breakdown on Shopify. Again, I wouldn't be paying too much attention to statistical mean or below for now. The main thing I'd be watching for is we've already kind of hit this 48, we hit this before, is if we can come into this $52 level. As we start to break up to here, again, I'll probably start looking at it short bias, maybe looking at outright puts or potentially credit or debit spread. So basically vertical spreads coming into those levels. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.